I would love to be able to pull over and get you guys some good B-roll, some good footage of the lake, but unfortunately, everything on the lake shore is privately owned. You can't just pull over and get some views of the lake. So unfortunately, yeah, I'm in Mounts Bay, Colchester, but I wanted to show you at least a little bit of the view of the lake. Today is a beautiful day outside, and Vermont does have its perks. And today is a good day or a good choice of, yeah, I'm not speaking well today. That's a good example of some of the perks. Beautiful day, beautiful view. So yeah. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today, out on the road, another stop. We are in Mounts Bay, Colchester, Vermont. I am at Broadacres Creemee Stand. So let's get a creemee. But first, let's take a look at the menu, see what they got. So we got hard ice cream, creamies, we got sundaes, fudge, strawberry, a specialty sundae, brownie, chocolate lovers, everything peanut butter. Peanut butter pie, peanut butter sauce, Reese's Pieces, whipped cream, peanuts, Oreo. In addition, we got different toppings and food. Okay, so as tempted as I am, I know it's reversed, sorry about that. So as tempted as I am to get the everything peanut butter, because everything, I love peanut butter. We're going to go with a medium creamy, and we're going to go with black raspberry, of course, so I can compare and we can kind of see how it is compared to the other ones I've had. So let's go. I will take a medium black raspberry, please. Yes, please.
Yes.
That will do it.
$3.40.
Okay, so medium compared to the head for size comparison. It's a little bit smaller than some of the other mediums. Weight's pretty good, but let's go in for the taste testing. That is really good. Good mouthfeel, kind of smooth. Yeah, absolutely. It's hot, so flavor is actually really good. Really good flavor on this one. So, all right, guys. So Broadacres Creemee Stand. I'm going to pan around and get some outside views for you while I get this going. Okay, so in Vermont, come to Mounts Bay, hit Broadacres Creemee Stand, get yourself a delicious creemee. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.